Okay, guys, so I have my radios on because you guys know that yesterday at 3 a.m. flash flood watch, and I'm curious to see if it will happen again. So yeah, so that's why I have my radios on, and I'm just sitting here waiting for the watch to pop up. So yeah, so I'll tell you guys when it pops up if it actually happens. I'm just gonna let you guys listen to. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the forecast or song. Please listen to NOAA Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Flash flood watch. Yep, there you go. Furthermore, potential for some stronger wind gusts across Ulster, Dutchess, and Litchfield counties, along with wet soil. There you go. Flash flood watch. Power outages. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed later Wednesday into Thursday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. The voice keeps on cutting off for some reason. Maybe the internet's acting up. For tonight, hazardous weather is not expected at this time. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. There is a low probability for widespread hazardous weather. We continue to monitor the track from the remnants of Ida. If a northward trend evolves, chances for higher rainfall amounts would shift northward as well into the I-90 corridor. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Synopsis. Rain associated with tropical cyclone Ida will push across the region through Wednesday night. The rain will fall heavy at times, mainly to the south and east of Albany, which will increase the threat for flooding. Yeah, they said Albany. And early Thursday morning is an area of high pressure builds in from the west, bringing a drier and fall-like air mass for the remainder of the week and into this weekend. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the capital region rest of tonight, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the lower 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Wednesday, cloudy. Rain in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the upper 60s. Temperature falling into the lower 60s in the afternoon. I never heard him say that before. 5 miles per hour. I think it's probably because that every month the lines are probably different. Because it's now officially September, so yeah, it's September 1st. September's here. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs around 70. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. And for the Schoharie Valley and higher terrain west of tonight. You know what? Lows in the upper 50s. I'm gonna play some Mario Kart for a little bit. So I'm gonna stop the recording for now until the flash flood watch pops up. If it actually pops up or happens. So here we go! From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Albany has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of east central New York and southern Vermont, including the following areas: east central New York, eastern Albany, eastern Rensselaer, Schoharie, western Albany, and western Rensselaer. In southern Vermont, Bennington, eastern Windham, and western Windham. From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through Thursday morning. Periods of moderate to heavy rainfall associated with Ida is expected into Thursday. This guy did not go off again. I didn't hear this. You know what? I'm just gonna. Possible, which may result in flash flooding, especially in urban, low-lying, and poor drainage areas. The higher rainfall amounts are expected across the southern and eastern portions of each county. You should Monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
There you go.
Flash flood watch remains in effect from 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon.
At least this guy went off. That guy went off.
Flash flood watch continues
I'm proud of
portions
them.
Northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and east central New York, including the following
Alright.
areas.
I knew it.
Northwestern Connecticut,
I knew it. I knew it. I had that clench feeling.
Massachusetts, northern Berkshire, and
So there you have it.
east central
There you got it. There you have it.
Columbia, eastern
What the heck was that?
Eastern Green, eastern Ulster, western Columbia, western Dutchess, western Green, and western
Okay, that was
Ulster.
weird. Alright.